Barca delivered a bloodbath in Seoul today. With a score of 7-3, Lamine used his opportunity to showcase his skills, all while embracing the coveted number 10. Yamal put up 2 goals, and since the last season, it looks like he didn't miss a pace and didn't drop a beat. Remember, this will be his best season thus far, and he's always getting better. A scary sight for La Liga and the rest of the sport. Lewandowski continues to be the age-old veteran that puts up goals. Hopefully we can continue to see Lewandowski perform at a high level for his age. And as always, follow me for more. I post a lot of football content as well as updates. So, peace.